Let's get back to our weather right now. Robert Suhr joining us again. Robert, a lot of people dealing with the heat. Us, not so much dealing with the humidity, but you're saying that's going to be short-lived.
Yeah, it looks like the humidity, it's really going to go up and down this week. So there could be a very muggy day and then a nice, dry, comfortable day and then a muggy day, which I'll show you here in just a second. First, we take a look at our focus for the upcoming week. And as I mentioned, yeah, some of that humidity does start to come back. But even when it does, it won't be as oppressive as it was this past week, where you had heat indices all over the place. And also very little in the way of rain chances, maybe a sprinkle or two. And the one thing we are pretty certain is that temperatures, high temperatures, 90s and 100s all week long, which you'll see in the extended forecast. Now, dew points right now, the true measure of the moisture in the atmosphere, mostly in the 60s across the area, so not too bad. 70 in Boonville. But as we show you our dew point forecast, this is by noon tomorrow. We're watching this cold front slide its way toward the area. Here it comes crossing the area Tuesday morning. And notice that drier air filtering in by the time we get to midweek, kind of giving us some more comfortable air for Wednesday and most likely Thursday as well. That real soupy tropical air well to the south toward the Gulf Coast. We'll see how that verifies. Live look outside right now to Lowell. You can see Interstate 49. What a great shot. 91 right now in Lowell, but dew point isn't too bad, which is why your heat index is still in the 90s. Elsewhere for your neighborhood in northwest Arkansas, mostly lower to mid 90s. Take a live look outside to I-40 near Alma, right near the Alma and Interstate 49 interchange. In Alma right now, you're also at 91, but dew point a little bit higher, which is why your heat index feels like right around 100 degrees. Elsewhere in the River Valley, everybody in the mid to a few upper 90s at this hour. Now, as we take you hour by hour tonight through tomorrow morning, not a lot going on. Clear skies, temperatures waking up tomorrow morning in the 60s and 70s. We'll be near 90 for lunchtime. And then as you're settling in for dinner tomorrow evening, everybody in the mid to upper 90s. A few locations will creep above 100 degrees. By 10 p.m., here comes that front crossing the area. It should be moisture starved so that by Tuesday morning, we're mostly in the 70s with that drier air. But the warm air isn't going anywhere. Very strong confidence in above average temperatures 6 to 10 days out. That does include our area. And the strongest confidence just off to our northwest, that will creep its way into northwest Arkansas 8 to 14 days out. So the above average temperatures don't look to be going anywhere anytime soon, unfortunately. Here's a look at Tropical Storm Darby. Still keeping our eye on it, churning up the waters in the eastern Pacific. Still got about another 10 miles an hour or so to go before it officially becomes a hurricane. And as it makes its way through the Pacific, the models are taking it close to the Hawaiian Islands. We'll have to see. Now, that is by Friday, so we've got all week to determine if Darby will impact the Hawaiian Islands later by about this time next weekend. We'll see. 60s and 70s tonight, back up into the 90s and a few 100s for your Monday. There's a look at the extended forecast. Overall, not a bad week. That cold front could touch off a stray shower Tuesday night and into Wednesday. And then we're watching another possible front that could bring us a shower a Saturday night and into Sunday as well. River Valley, about the same thing. Impact days as we get toward Monday and Tuesday because of that triple-digit heat, and more triple-digit heat Friday into next weekend. Stay with us. We are going to check the world of sports right after we check these commercial messages.